Hey everybody, Josh here from Android Central. Just wanted to show you guys another game I picked up. It's called Domino Run, and it takes the idea of stacking up dominoes and knocking them down, something that we all probably did when we were younger, and adds a little puzzle element to it. What we start off with are just black dominoes and blue dominoes. The black dominoes can be moved around and then tapped, and the blue domino is called the finisher. Now, the finisher needs to be the last domino to fall. If it isn't, you end up losing. You also need to make sure that you knock down all of the black dominoes before the finisher falls. If you don't, you lose again. The game starts off relatively simple. You'll notice that in the first couple of levels we were just knocking down literally a straight row of dominoes. As we advance into some of the later levels though, the gameplay does get more difficult. You'll notice here that we actually need to position dominoes to fall off of a cliff, knock down another domino, and then fall off another cliff to knock down the finisher. There are more dominoes that get added in as we advance into some of the later levels. You'll see a red-orange one, I think, in a couple of levels called the stopper or something like that. Your black dominoes actually bounce off of that, so you can move it out of the way, and sometimes you have to use it to actually bounce a domino back and forth to eventually get to the finisher. You'll also notice in the top left and top right corners of the screen there's a time counter and a move counter. As soon as the level starts, the counter starts ticking down how much time you've spent. The faster you get a level completed, the better your score. Same thing for the moves. If you can get a short amount of moves, you'll get a higher score. The scoring system is done in a medal type format, so you can get a gold, silver, or bronze. I think if you get anything lower than that, you probably haven't passed the level, and you'll have to play again. You'll notice here some more complicated game mechanics, like me losing. But I'm going to have to obviously use that stopper to bounce a domino back and forth so I can hit the dominoes that'll knock down the finisher. Overall, it's a really fun game. Starts off simple, ends up getting complicated. There's an entire list of dominoes that we haven't even seen yet in this video. But if you're interested in any kind of puzzle or replayability a la Angry Birds or anything else that scores you, this is definitely a great game to pick up. It's called Domino Run, and you can find it in the Android market.